So what we've got here today is my 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee with quadra lift air suspension, and as you can see, it's sitting on the ground. It's having problems again. It's still drivable, so it's barely fitting the fender, but I cannot operate the air suspension, and the ride is quite tough. Here is what it can look on front, and here what we've got on the back. It's a bit better, but overall, like, it's basically vehicle only for emergency cases right now. And what is happening with this Jeep overall? Basically, I bought it like 2 months ago, and after first week it started getting these troubles. And first thing that I diagnosed it and realized is that back air strut, or basically back air back that hold the air, had a big hole in it. I ordered a new one, replaced it myself. It was quite easy. You can just remove the wheel and put a new strut there. And it was okay for another week or two, but then again I saw the error on the dashboard, like immediate air suspension required, visit the service and so on. I got to the service because I checked everything else that I could, checked the fuses, the relay, everything was okay, but I had this problem. So after a diagnosis at the dealer, they said that actually front struts was leaking. So basically strut itself leaking the air, and probably this Jeep needs a new compressor for the air suspension. So and after a quick estimation, they got me a quote for around $7,000. It's Canadian dollars. So each front strut, they said it's $3,000 plus compressor plus some labor, so it was like $7,000 or $8,000. And what I've decided to do, I decided to do a conversion to coils, so put the coil spring, and actually dealer agreed to do it. They have done quite a bit of these conversions. They using Strutmaster conversion kit specially for these Jeeps. I don't know how it will look, because I was not able to find any like real videos of owners who put this conversion kit, so that's why I decided to film a video with my Jeep and the way how Jeep will gonna look after this conversion. But on top of this conversion, I've ordered a 2.5-inch lift from Rough Country, so it will be a bit higher than normal ride height. We'll see. This is just a quick video to let you know that I will be doing this conversion quite soon, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. I will be testing everything, testing the ride height, the quality of the ride, and so on. So please let me know if you have any questions. I will check, and see you.